We are going to look forward a little bit to our holiday time, and I've got some beautiful fabrics, and these can be sometimes very expensive, and we've got some really good prices on these. So this is really beautiful. This is the rust that's really popular right now, and it's little sequins. And they're little sequins almost to form like a little animal print. It's beautiful. Very expensive. I mean, you know, very expensive looking. It's on a scuba. The background is a scuba knit. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Isn't that beautiful? Just really beautiful. It's not thin. It's like a 4 ounce. It's got some real nice body to it. It could be a jacket. It could be a knit jacket. Very, very pretty. This is beautiful. You can see the light just reflecting that. It's blue on black. This would be great. A little dress, a little top. It's got stretch in both directions. Cotton poly. Just beautiful. This very lightweight. We could do a little cape in this, a little shawl. Both sides are usable simply because of the kind of reflection. You can't really see. You know which side's the right side, but the wrong side is really okay too. It's just the opposite. This is an ombre. It goes from black to wine and back to black. It's got a little silver in it. That is just beautiful. This one is a black and brown and gold. Now I would treat this as a woven, but like a little tank top would be great. A long tank with leggings would be really pretty, just to give it a little gold. Not like, again, I'd treat that as a woven. You could do a beautiful blouse. You could do another fabric with it. Just very pretty. This is a stretch velvet. It has stretch in both directions. Very nice, very nice. Little designs in there that are really pretty. This is, again, cotton poly. This is also cotton poly. This is paillettes. Now these are little paillettes. This is beautiful. It has stretch in one direction, so you could do a little top out of this. The paillettes are perfectly laid to where they're only attached on one edge so that they have some depth to them. But the stretch goes around so you can see that they have a real glimmer to them. This is a black. It's just so beautiful. Anyway, the goal is to get something fun made for the holidays. We all want something fun. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.